I'm making a simple pico de gallo for the fajitas. This adds a nice freshness and brightness to the fajitas. I have a couple chopped plum tomatoes, a green onion, half of a seeded jalapeno, and a couple chopped garlic cloves. I'm adding a little salt, juice from half of a lime, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Giving that a toss and refrigerating until the chicken fajitas are done. Here I have a large thinly sliced boneless chicken breast that I cut into about 1 to 2 inch pieces and about 1/8 of an inch thick. Seasoning with some salt and black pepper, a good dose of chili powder, cumin, and then drizzling with some olive oil, about a tablespoon. And then I'm adding in the juice of the other half of lime, giving everything a good toss to get thoroughly combined. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil and the chicken, cooking and stirring for 6 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is done, and then I'm removing from the pan. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. In the same skillet on medium heat, I have the remaining oil and I'm adding in the sliced onions and bell peppers, and I have a combo of green and red. A little more salt, and cooking and stirring for 5 to 7 minutes or until the veggies start to soften. I do have the other half of the jalapeno from the salsa, and I'm adding that into the mix. In goes the minced garlic, and here's about a tablespoon of the chipotle adobo sauce, and this is just the sauce, cooking and stirring for about a minute. You can add some of the chopped chipotle pepper for more heat. Adding the chicken and the juices back into the pan, giving it a toss, and it's done. Now let's make the fajitas. I'm toasting some flour tortillas in my cast iron skillet. The chicken and veggies smell so good. Adding some lettuce, some of the pico de gallo, and topping with some sour cream. You can also add cilantro, avocados, or anything else that you like. These homemade chicken fajitas are stuffed full of chicken, onions, peppers, and flavor. Perfect for an easy and healthy weeknight dinner. You can make these popular Mexican chicken wraps at home, and they are much better than at the restaurant. I hope you give these chicken fajitas a try, and enjoy! To make my quesadillas tonight, I'm using my spicy chipotle corn and black bean salsa. It is packed with flavor and spicy from my homemade chipotle mayonnaise. If you would like to see those video recipes, I'll leave links here and also in the Show More section below this video. I'm using my cast iron grill pan tonight, and I have it heating on a low to low medium. I'm brushing the grill side of my flour tortilla with a little oil, flipping over the tortilla and laying down my ingredients. The key to making a quesadilla is starting and ending with cheese, and this is going to help glue or hold it together. Tonight I'm using a combo of garlic jack and mozzarella cheese, and you can use the cheese that you like. I'm placing down some grated cheese and then a couple spoonfuls of my spicy corn salad. I just love the Mexican flavors and the freshness of all the ingredients. On goes some more grated cheese, folding over the tortilla and giving it a gentle press. You can keep these quesadillas vegetarian, but they're also good with any leftover cooked meat. And just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, links, and much more in the Show More section below this video. If you have a chance, please check it out. My pan is ready, and these quesadillas will not take long to cook, only about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Don't walk away, keep an eye on them, and you may need to adjust your heat. I'm using my grill pan, but you can use any pan that you have. Once you see the cheese starting to melt and the tortilla is toasted, give it a flip, and the second side usually takes less time than the first. Once done, I'm letting them rest for a couple minutes and then cutting into pieces. These spicy quesadillas are easy to make and have lots of flavor and texture. I hope you give these easy and spicy quesadillas a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!